I don't know, because life's been fucking me recently, so I guess she.
She's Bubba last. I'll defend you here. I'll defend your corpse. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. My pronouns are full and auto. Happy holidays. Don't use oil. Happy holidays.
I don't have a chip.
You don't have any chips?
No, I wasn't given any chips.
Okay, well, you got 2 lives left.
So why don't you have anything?
I don't know. I haven't got even anything.
Then you're on our side now.
No. Okay. No. Okay, just remember you got 2 chips.
Yeah. Because I went all the way around here and I didn't get shot. This is my first time getting shot.
Yeah. Just remember you got two Grinch tags left. Go back to your team now that we've tagged you.
Where is my team?
You got to go find them.
Oh, great.
Go find your team now that we've tagged you.
Don't use me as bait.
Follow this guy. Use his bait.
Don't use me as bait.
Come on. Don't use him as bait. Follow this guy and use him as bait.
Blue. Are you blue? Yeah. Ah, shit. I yelled blue, no one responds, so I was like, okay, you guys are yellow. Oh, and I'll get you guys. My bad.
No, don't you? It's all good.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thanks.
I swear I did not friendly fire him. That's yellow. Oh, hit! Oh wait, you're blue?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, you're the 3rd one today. Hold on.
I couldn't even get reliant.
You're the 3rd one today.
Those gears that are throwing you out.
2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit! Back in! Okay.
Anyway, it is.
Woo! Ah, hit!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Back in!
I'm gonna run.
Marshall coming through. Come on, blue team, hunt that wind down. Marshall. Hunt that wind down.
Woo hoo hoo!
Drop the trees down.
Shoot me if you identify as a transgender.
Someone take the LMG down.
Please, for my sake.
Blue guys, come get the angle here. Get the angle here. Angle here. Take the LMG out. Somebody get that LMG out. Yeah? Yeah, you can walk back to me. Come back to me. Green, water tower, water tank, water tank. Green. count to 20.
I'll take my headshot. Yeah. Oh no, wait. I don't know if he's out or not.
Come guys, hunt that grange down. Hunt that grange down.
Oh shit, sorry. Sorry, Beck, I did see a hand. Grinch is by my left here, 11 o'clock.
Go into the shadows, so I can't see you. Someone says push left.
Grinch is down!
Come to me. The base is go through here, and then go down to the center. And just behind that one.
Mates, 1, 2, left, right.
Take that man walking every now and again. I'm dead. Okay, move out the line of fire.
Ah, Freddy, blue!
Sorry.
There's a guy behind you.
Oh, sorry.
Just push up, get the Grinch!
To the guns!
Hi. Grinch. Hi. I don't know what I'm supposed to take.
Huh?
I'm supposed to take you or something.
I need to walk back to the thing.
Yeah.
Blue team, we're going to fall back to blue zone and go again. Blue, you need to return the token to them. Token to them.
Finally.
Good stuff. Right, they are now up in the top left corner. Go take them.
Yeah.
Your tokens are there.
Woo!
I'll try Emma. I'm going to walk in front and draw them. I'll try Emma.
Running.
My 11. Behind the landing cross. My 11. Straight down the landing cross.
Sorry!
Down! Blue down!
8, 9, 10.
Grinchy straight on your 12. Grinchy straight on your 12. Close. Grinchy close on the 12. Move up. Blue push up. Right side. Blue, push up. Pinch is here. Push up.
Right side.
Blue, right side, push up.
Okay.
Go, 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 go. Blue, push. Blue, right side.
Oh shit, sorry.
Push up right side.
Drinks down.
I got him, his foot. Bang! Oh fuck. Hit! Ah. Fuck it.
Where's Mr. Green? Well played.
Sorry guys, I was just seeing you guys in the open, I was like I have to.
I use this guy as a body shield.
Nice, Bob. So you said, I was like, oh, those aren't fair. And you're like, no, they're fair. There's no way.
Still my gun's not working. Fuck.
Oh, I got hit. Nice. You mag, you dropped the mag, dude, your mag. Your mag fell out. It's gonna sit here. Ho ho ho, motherfuckers.
As always happens, facts and truth outwin the wokeness every single time. Okay. Right. Yeah. Well done, guys.
Go to the air. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, help me.